Put in the work. Take the first step. If you fail, take it again. If you fail, keep taking it. If you fail, take it again. Faraday discovered electricity. How many times did he fail? 999 times. So if you fail the first time, it's not a bad thing. It's just building you up. If you fail the second time, it's not also a bad thing. Keep trying. If you fail the third time, keep trying. You fail the third time, keep trying. If you fail the fifth time, keep going until you get a better result. The end is always full with happiness, joy, and greatness. But starting is always stressful, somehow frustrating, but you have to keep going. Nobody will celebrate you when you are failing, but the day you succeed, you see people celebrating you. Starting a business, starting a company, starting any skill is not that easy, but you have to believe in yourself that you can do this. You have to trust yourself first that you can do this. You alone can do this. So believe in yourself. Don't believe in anyone else. Believe in yourself. Believe in God that you can do it. Keep trying it. If you fail, try. If you fail, try. This is my advice for the younger generation to come. This is my advice for the upcoming generation. This is my advice for the upcoming millionaires. This is my advice for those who want to start a company. This is my advice for business owners. This is my advice for farmers. Thank you very much for your time. I'm Peter Mwiganani.